Hi friends, here's some the sea creatures that we would find. You can color them, you can cut them out, or you can just leave them the way they are and just kind of look at them as a reference. Here's a shark, eel, crab, sea turtle, whale, coral, lobster, and squid. I love looking at these sea animals. And then here's an octopus puzzle that goes from 1 all the way to 10. You can have an adult help you cut because you need to cut all the way around the lines, and then you're going to cut all the way up. Stay away from this line, but cut all the way up here on all these lines, and then you're going to mix them up and you're going to put them back in order from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you'll make the octopus picture again. So have fun, friends. Bye.